Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Excel Learning to Excel in Excel. Today we are going to talk about how to create an index automatically along with hyperlink using VBA for all the worksheets present in a workbook. Now we'll see a live example to understand the utility of the same and why do we really need to do it and how to do the same. Before that, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive a notification as a new video is released. So now let us imagine this example wherein you have created with days and nights of hard work, you have created a project report which has got multiple number of sheets, be it introduction, feasibility, tech analysis, project report, Gantt chart and profit statement, etc, etc. Now before you submit it to the project manager or the finance lead for approval, the last thing but not the least, what you need is an index. बिना इंडेक्स के इसका कोई अस्तित्व नहीं है या कोई मतलब नहीं है, बिकॉज इफ योर मैनेजर और द फाइनेंस लीड उसको एक एक शीट में जाने में बहुत ज़्यादा समय लगेगा, इट इज़ ऑफ नो यूज. So basically we have to create a utility for him or her to basically have an index handy, so that as soon as the person clicks on a link, for example मैं इस पे click करता हूँ, it will take me to the intro sheet, and if I want to go back I simply need to use the shortcut of pressing F5 and enter. Similarly, if I were to press this profit statement, I will simply press here and it will take me to the profit statement year one. The contents are blank because I just intended to show you what can be the indicative sheets and how to really automate the creation of index. Now if I want to come back, I've just pressed F5 and came back. Now how to do this? If looking at this, you might be feeling it is easy because you have limited number of sheets like a 15 count over here. But just imagine when you actually work in a real life environment, जब आप real life projects पे काम करोगे, your number of pages might run into 40 and 50. So you know, अपने आप में create करना एक index is a mammoth task in the end, and after so much hard work you deserve to have something automated to give you very quick results and give you a sigh of relief. Okay, so now basically our objective is we will automate this part so that the index is created automatically. Okay, clear on this? Now we'll do it smartly instead of doing a manual first creation of index and then a manual hyperlinking. What we are going to do instead is I'm going to take you to a blank Excel or an Excel wherein the index is not created as of now, and I'll show you how it is done. What we'll do first is we'll go to the macros window. You can access it by pressing on Alt plus F11. I'm repeating, it is accessible by pressing on Alt plus F11 key combination. This is where you will get, this is basically the macro screen wherein you will see Visual Basic for applications, and this is where your module will get activated. Additional step, what you have to do is we'll click on insert button and we'll click on module button. As soon as you do this, we will have a new module page opened in front of us. Now it's a blank canvas, but we need to fill it with a code जिससे कि हमें अपना desired result मिल सके. Now this code I have already written. This is the code. You just simply need to copy the code from here and paste it. This will be available to you in the comment section of my video, wherein I will paste the entire VBA code for you to just copy and paste in your new module in the VBA screen. I'll just paste it. I will press Ctrl S to save it. After that, I will exit this window. I have come back to the XLS file. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to access whatever macro is existing because I've just created a new macro. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Alt plus F8. Repeating for the benefit of all, I will press Alt plus F8. You will see there is one macro which is appearing over here, which is create index page of worksheets using VBA. I will simply click on run, and you see my job is done in a second. Now just to test whether it is done appropriately or not, I will click on introduction. It will take me to the intro sheet. I'll press F5 and go back. Similarly for others. Now we'll just apply some quick formatting for it to look neat and tidy and in line with our overall stuff. We'll simply convert it into a table for applying very quick formatting. I'll just remove the banded rows. and here it is. We have a neat and tidy index available to us within seconds. So that is what I wanted to share with you in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do let me know your comments or observations or anything additional you would want to do, and happy to hear those thoughts. Thank you so much. Keep safe, keep excelling in Excel. Thank you. Bye bye.